Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You already have both sheets open, so begin by aligning the key columns. First, trim stray spaces and ensure identical headers. Inconsistencies break matches. Next, pick a column to compare ID, email, or SKU and create a helper column for cleaned values. Once done, choose your method. Lightweight conditional formatting for quick visuals, VLOOKUP or match for formula-based checks, or Power Query if you need a repeatable, scalable solution. Start with formulas if you want immediate, editable flags. Use equals I for match, A2 sheet 2, 0, or equals if COUNTIFS sheet 2, A2 0 duplicate unique. Once formulas are applied, copy as values to freeze results. For visuals, apply conditional formatting with equals COUNTIFS sheet 2, A2 0 and pick a highlight. If you need robust, refreshable results, load both tables into Power Query. Merge on the key and choose Inner. Filter the flagged rows and compare records side by side to confirm true duplicates. Once confirmed, either remove duplicates using Excel's Remove Duplicates or maintain a master with a status column. Make sure to back up data before bulk deletion. If matches are missing, debug common issues. Inconsistent formatting, text versus number types, leading zeros, or non-printing characters. Use value, text, or clean and trim to normalize. One quick fix: reapply trim and convert types, then recalc.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.